FundingTix is a new futures prop firm launched in mid 2025 by the creators of Funding Tips, offering flexible funding models for futures traders. The Pro Plus plan starts at $99 month for a $25 Kelvin account with a 90% profit split and payouts every 5 trading days. The Zero model lets you skip evaluation and go straight to a funded account by maintaining 25-40% consistency. It supports real CME market access via platforms like TradeOware, NinjaTrader, and TradingView, not synthetic environments. Traders love the low cost to fund, just $62 for a $50 Kelvin eval, fast payouts, and strong customer support. It also carries the credibility of Funding Pips, known for over $120 million in payouts. But it's still very new, and some users report minor platform bugs and dashboard delays. Final verdict. Funding Ticks is a high potential trader friendly prop firm ideal for futures traders who want low cost and fast reward cycles. But cautious traders may prefer to wait for a longer track record. Do your own research.